let's take a quick journey through the incredible history of Cambodia. So, where does it all begin? Well, thousands of years ago, ancient people settled near the Great Mekong River. Fast forward to the first millennium, and Cambodia rises as a powerhouse under the mighty Khmer Empire. This was the age of Angkor Wat, the world's largest religious monument, built in the 12th century. Imagine hundreds of thousands of workers building temples that still amaze us today. The Khmer Empire wasn't just about temples, though. It was a cultural and political giant, ruling over parts of what's now Thailand, Laos, and Vietnam. Angkor, the capital, was a city bustling with life, art, and innovation. But, like all empires, the Khmer's golden age faded. By the 15th century, wars, climate change, and shifting power left Angkor abandoned, swallowed by the jungle for centuries. Cambodia found itself squeezed between growing neighbors, Vietnam and Siam. The country struggled to keep its independence, often caught in the middle of bigger conflicts. By the 19th century, Cambodia became a French colony. That changed everything, from schools to city streets. Flash forward to the 20th century. Independence in 1953, hope, and then tragedy. The Khmer Rouge era in the late 1970s was devastating. Millions lost, culture nearly wiped out. But Cambodia's story didn't end there. Slowly, with great resilience, the nation rebuilt. Today, Cambodia is a land of stunning temples, rich traditions, and incredible people. Its history is a story of both splendor and survival, a powerful reminder of how a nation can rise, fall, and rise again. So next time you see a picture of Angkor Wat, remember, you're looking at the heart of a civilization that's seen it all and keeps moving forward.